Assalamu alaikum, I am Asma Mushtaq from the EEVIBES. So let's just simplify the expression for the T2. First I will apply the Boolean Algebra approach and then I will apply the K-map simplification method for the determination of the T2 function. So here T2 can be represented as the summation of M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7, and here I will represent it in terms of the minterms where the complemented literals corresponds to the 0 while the non-complemented literals correspond to one entry. So here I have written T2 in as the summation of the minterms. Alright, in the next step you will see I will start simplifying the function by combining the last two terms that are ABC complement and ABC. And here you can see I have taken AB common from here, where inside the bracket you have C plus C complement which corresponds to 1. Then I will write down the rest of the terms, and here I will then in the next step combine the second and third minterm. Alright, and here you can see I can take common AB common from here, and while inside the bracket you have C plus C complement, and again you can see we are left with this expression. Now in the last term you can see we can take common A from here, and inside the bracket we have again B plus B complement which is equal to 1. And finally we will apply the distributive law, according to which we will take A plus A complement separately while we are left with this. And finally you can see we have the simplified expression that is equal to A plus BC. Alright, now let's apply the K-map simplification method, where I will place all the minterms in the corresponding boxes, since minterm 0, 1 and 2 are 0, so that's why they are not placed in the K-map, while all the ones are placed in the K-map and combined together. Last four ones correspond to